some pissed off flow, son. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home. Doing it by my lonesome, pissed off flow, son.
I see them long, hard times to come.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hollarmoto, Nicole. Finally, we got a day where we can both actually ride. Hey, when I redid the handlebars, I pushed them too far forward. So anyways, we're gonna go out and do a little bit of riding, chill out, have a good time. I'm not vlogging at a fucking red light. I'll be back in a minute.
A little longer than a few minutes later. Six and a half hours later.
Oh, that girl's gonna get in trouble. This is not the ideal road to be speeding on. Anyways. I figured, what the hell, you know, we're going to go for a quick ride. And she's trying to get more comfortable riding her bike. She doesn't get very many opportunities to actually go ride her own bike. And I talked her into it today, so here we go. We're gonna ride some back roads. We're gonna head over to Travis's house, see what's going on over there. He actually had to come over and help me do the chain on her bike today because I ordered a new chain. I got the new chain. I've had it for like 3 months, never put it on. Went to put it on last night and realized that they sent me the wrong fucking chain. I never looked. I automatically assumed it was right. They sent me a 525 106. I needed a 525 120. So that sucks. But we do have plastics are going to get painted hopefully this week or this coming weekend. Not this week, today's Saturday, so it'll be next weekend. Hopefully we can get some paint on them plastics next weekend. That would be amazing. She's slowing way down too much for this curve. Alright, good job though. Like, this is going to be the longest she's ever really ridden that. Well, no, she rode it home one day from my house, so from our house to her old house, which wasn't that far. I'll get in front of her so she feels more comfortable. I just don't, she feels more comfortable riding behind me, but she rides too slow when she's behind me. If I'm behind her, I push her. She'll ride better because she knows I'm actually behind her. If I look right now, oh, she's actually right there. Anyways, I really don't have a subject to talk about. I really don't. It's just kind of a, yeah, we'll take the cameras, turn them on, and see what we see. I don't think I'm gonna let her go the other back way. I think I'm gonna take her around the traffic circle. That'll be a little bit more comfortable of a turn for her, I believe. Because it's a traffic circle, you can slow down, nobody's gonna run into the back of you, and you'll be alright. See, that's what I'm talking about. Turn around, she's way back there behind me. So I don't like her riding behind me. because I can't see her. I don't see what she's doing. Come on, baby girl, get up here. Go in front of me. Well, I didn't mean fucking hammer down, goddamn. And I gotta get her to start using her rear brake. She just will not use it, and I don't know why. She will only use her front brake. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There you go. Nice and easy. You ain't gotta be a Speedy Gonzales. She needs a lot more seat time, and she's gonna be a great rider. She's really a natural. I'll be honest with you, she is a natural. When I was teaching her how to ride her old 250, she picked it up so goddamn fast, and she hopped on a buddy's 600 not too long after she got her 250, and immediately was just in love with the 600 instead of that 250. She just needs more seat time. She needs to get more comfortable. She gets frustrated way too easily. And there she goes. Try to ride all night long, so I might just be like, let's cut this out here and we'll go ride somewhere else. So I really don't have shit to talk about. It's just a video. So maybe I'll see you all in a few minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Well, I guess we're gonna head back to the house. We're gonna drop her bike off, and then we're gonna hop on my bike and we're gonna go continue our ride for the night. I will not be videoing any of that. I will probably just be switching helmets and leaving this one at the house. This one gets on my nerves. I love it. It's nice, like I said in my last video, but I don't really like it that much. After a while, riding with it kind of sucks. So anyways, not really anything kind of video, just me and Nicole riding. So as always, please go over and hit up my Instagram. If you're not following me there, make sure you hit follow button over on Instagram. It's where I post all the good stuff. Hashtag fuck Facebook. Also, if you're not yet subscribed and you've been here for a while to this point, you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell for notifications so you know whenever I upload. Anyway, smash that like button, leave comments. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.